Hi guys, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and in today's video I'm going to help you out if you are a web developer or a YouTuber, or you just want to add something in your video, then where you can get the photos, images and nice videos very low cost or free of charge, mostly free of charge. So let's get started. So this is the first website you see, and as you can see on this website you can get free of charge images. You just write or type the nature of your need and you can discover so many beautiful high quality videos and pictures. As you can see, some of them are very recommended, new, latest, and according to the nature. So here you can see the another website, and on this website you can get so many other options. You can join if you want to get their premium version. As I said, low cost, but usually they are all free. Just type whatever you need, for example cat, and you will get the nice beautiful high quality images. Free videos, if you need videos for your YouTube or any other channel and you want to add with your videos. So the next one is Pixabay. Here as well you can get free images and loyalty free stock. They have got a lot of options, just explore. As you can see, they have got wallpapers, flowers, pictures, illustrations, vectors, videos, music, sound effects, and so on. So you just click download, and these are all free of charge. Next one is Video. So here you see they have got so many templates, pro version templates, and for all other sound effects as well as softwares to use, edit them. As you can see, they have got wide variety of videos as well. Cities, nice images, templates. You can edit with your Adobe or any other softwares. So here we write the same thing, car. Now you can find so many related to your niche. Thank you very much for having and watching this video. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Bye bye.